Okay, the best website that I found to do your YouTube banner is going to be Canva. I'm going to be adding a link in the description, so you can just click that link. The size of your YouTube banner is going to be 2,560 by 1440. To find YouTube banner, just search YouTube banner and then just click on YouTube banner, and that will set your perfect size. And as you can see on the left side of the screen, there are a bunch of templates that you can choose from. Now, the templates where you see the crown, you have to have Canva's paid membership in order to use those templates. So if you choose to use those templates, my suggestion is to click the link that's in the video description and you will receive a discount. You receive their best offer. And I appreciate you clicking those links because, once again, I do get a commission, and that allows me to continue to produce these videos for you. Okay, once you find your template that you want to use, you can go ahead and drag it over to the right side of the screen, your editing area, or simply click the template and it will automatically populate into your editing area. If you decide that you don't want that template, you can always delete it and choose another one. Once you have your template in place, all you have to do is just highlight the letters and add your own, or you can choose different fonts. I'm going to take us over to my health and wellness for you and your YouTube channel. And as you can see, everything on the banner is centered. I have my description of the channel. I have what I'm offering people when they view videos. There's going to be a new video every week. Subscribe, and I have an arrow pointing down where they can click the subscribe button. So your goal is to have everything centered in the middle of the rectangular area. And I'll show you that in a moment. My suggestion also is to go to your favorite YouTube channels and see what type of banner they have. That way you can get some great ideas. All right. Now, my suggestion is to use ChatGPT to get the wording for your banner if you want to add words to your banner. For example, like you see on my banner for health and wellness for you and your, number 1 says transform your health, exercise, nutrition, and wellness tips. Number 2, clear skin and healthy living, etc. So next you would go over to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, I'm typing in, I am making a YouTube banner and I would like to add a numbered list of the types of videos viewers can expect to see. My channel is called Trades Project Side Hustle. I'll have videos on the best side hustles, software tutorials, YouTube creator suggestions to get more views and develop the best helpful content, just to name a few. Please include new videos expected every week. Please write me a list of 5 to 7 informational sentences. Now, you can also use Chat GPT for other YouTube tasks, such as creating descriptions for your videos, finding new tags, creating posts, discovering new video content ideas, etc. And as you can see, ChatGPT will provide you with a list that you can add to your banner if you like. As of now, I'm not 100% sure that I will add a list to my banner, but I have it just in case. And back over to Canva. I decided I'm going to go with more of a planner template so that way I can design it myself. So, based on my YouTube research, I saw some backgrounds for the banner that is a darker color. So, I'm searching for a dark colored background now within Canva. And as you can see, most of the backgrounds have the crown there, meaning that you need the pro level in order to have access to it. I have Create Studio, that's where I'm editing this video. So I'm going to go into their stock footage and see if we can find a background there. So once again, just as a reminder, if you read the description of this video, I have a link there that has a lifetime Create Studio deal. So make sure you click on that link and go over to their webpage because it's a once in a lifetime deal with Create Studio. I edit all of my videos using Create Studio. It's the first editing software that I learned how to use. I think it is the best. It's the easiest. It has everything you need for editing program, stock footage. You can even go to different voices and it will read text for you. You can record your own voice. It has different characters. It has different background settings for those characters. It's so easy that a child could use it, and it makes a great gift for a loved one, especially children. So make sure you click on that link and check it out. Okay, back over to Canva. All right, so what I'm doing is typing in the letters that I want for my banner, Trey's Project Side Hustle. Okay, and I'm going to speed up this video a little bit. Another great thing I like about Create Studio is you could speed up the video up to 400 times. So when it comes to creating your banner, you just got to play around with things, the text, the images, the sizes, the fonts, just to get everything the way you want. I pre-uploaded some of my photos to Canva so that way I can just drag and drop them over. I'm using the wood frame border. I don't know if I would keep it, but might change it later, but we'll see how it looks once it gets over to YouTube. So you just have to reposition things, choose different colors, see if the font color works for you. If not, you can always easily change the colors with Canva. If you have a reference YouTube banner that you're kind of going off of for creativity, you can always flip back and forth. And that's what I did with mine here. I'm not showing that in the video, but that is what I did. So I'm making the main heading bigger. Tighten subscribe. I'm looking for an arrow to point down to the subscribe button. See if I can find one. See if there's one that I like. A lot of them, you have to have the pro version in order to get it. So let's see if we could find some other ones. Well, most of them, you have to have the pro version. See if we can find any other arrows here. Just got to search and keep digging and see if you can find the things you would like to have. Mm-hmm. Yep. So within Create Studio, I found an arrow, so I'm going to use that one. I'm not sure if I will keep that one, but yep. And then I'm going to resize it to make sure everything fits good. And like I said, for this tutorial, it took me longer, but what I'm doing for you, so you don't have to sit through a very long video, is speeding it up for you to show how easy it is. I like the glow effect, so I'm going to choose the glow effect for this. And everything looks just about right. I'm just trying to get everything centered here. All right, change the color. Good. And like I said, with Canva and Create Studio, that's pretty much the main softwares that I will recommend when you're starting a YouTube channel or any other content creation channel. You can get a lot done with Canva and Create Studio. Yep, so I'm going to download our image for this tutorial. Yep, and just make sure you don't select multiple pages because we want a PNG file. So deselect those multiple pages. All right, so we uploaded to YouTube, and if you notice, some of the writing is hanging off of the middle portion of the banner We want everything in the middle so that way it can appear on all devices, cell phones, tablets, uh, desktop computers. If somebody opens it up on their TV at home, we want everything to appear. So we want everything in the center of the banner. Now, my subscribe button that's on the left there will not appear on a cell phone, and that's okay, but it will appear on all the other devices. And then later on to the right side, if I want to add something else like a book or something like that, I can always add that at a later time. Yep, so I'm just getting everything in the center. Shouldn't take too long here. We're going to download it, give it a name, and then we'll upload it to YouTube again. Perfect. I don't think I like the wooden border around myself there, so I'll change that soon here. Everything's looking good. We'll just refresh the page. See, and there we have it. Everything is centered. That way we can see the things in the middle on your laptop, cell phone, tablet, home TV. I said I don't really care for the wood border, so I'm going to go ahead and change that. So I'll be right back. All right, so I changed the wood border and I made my picture a little bit bigger so it'll be clear to see when people come to visit the page. Everything's looking great and I'm satisfied and I'm happy because now I can post this video to the channel. So make sure you subscribe. There's going to be more content, more side hustle projects on here for you. My goal is to change your mindset, transform your ideas into income, and build generational wealth one project at a time. I like to be your guide and guide you through your own journeys and help you achieve your goals, your dreams for yourselves and your family, and to pay off, bills, have extra income for vacations, to buy extra things, bigger car or better car, family size vehicle, things like that. And just to have money saved so that way if an emergency happens, you'll have access to it. Or if you need to lend money, or if you want to donate to your favorite charities, it'll be there for you. So look forward to seeing you in the future, communicating with you in the future. Have a wonderful, glorious, blessed day full of joy, happiness, peace, light, and love, especially love, love, love. Spread joy and love. Peace.